Birdfy feeder not charging battery and solar panel troubleshooting step. So guys, first of all check the environment. So guys, extreme temperature, sometime the internal litmus battery will stop the charging if the ambient temperature is below 0 degree or above 40 degree to protect the device, and bring the camera indoors to room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before plug it again. Then guys, deep discharge. If the battery completely drained, it may take 30 to 60 minutes for charging before indicator lights turn on. And guys, verify your charger and the cable. So guys, first thing is you use the original equipment. Always use the official USB-C cable that came with your Birdfy or Certify. High quality USB-C to cable C cable. Avoid cheap data only cables. Then guys, check the power bricks. Ensure your wall adapter is rated for 5 watt and 2 ampere. So you're using the ultra fast charger for the low power sources, like an older computer USB port may not provide enough power or could trigger the overcurrent protection. So guys, plug into non-working wall outlet to rule out the adapter faults. Then guys, clean the charging point. So guys, inspect for the debris. Dirt or bird food or dust can easily accumulate in the charging port. So you use a soft dry brush or the compressed air to gently clean out the port. Unplug the camera, use the ejector pin to provide in your box to press the reboot, set the button and attempt to charging again. Then guys, solar panel and the maintenance. If you are rely on the solar panel and it is not charging, so bring the camera inside and charge it to 100% using a wall charger. Reconnect the solar panel and ensure it receives the minimum of few hours of direct sunlight every day. If your device indicator light refuses to show and the solid red while plugged, so after try all the steps, the internal component or the battery itself may have failed. Then refer to your Birdfy help center to confirm your model exact technical species or to file a battery claim. So these are the things that you can try. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.